Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can cancel an order on Amazon. Okay, it's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Amazon. Now from Amazon, as you can see, I'm in the home tab. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the hamburger menu on the bottom right corner. Okay, as you can see, Amazon sent me that my order has been confirmed. Okay, now once I go to my hamburger menu, I'm going to click on my orders. As you can see here, your orders. Now once I click on my orders, as you can see, I have ordered a shoe that is going to arrive on Friday. If I click on the shoe, or if I click on my order, okay, as you can see the progress of your order: ordered, shipped, or it's out of delivery. Okay, now you have two options that you can do: is view or change this order, or cancel the order. If you scroll down a little bit, as you can see, now once I click on cancel the order, I am going to click on that option, and then I could choose all the orders that I want to cancel, and I could just pick a reason why I just want to cancel that order. Okay, it is optional, of course, but I would recommend for you just to put in a reason. So as you can see, order created by mistake. Once I choose the reason, I can click on cancel checked items. Okay. And once I click on cancel checked items, as you can see, there's no orders there are no orders that happened, and the order got canceled. And just shortly, I'm going to receive a message and an email that my order has been canceled. So yeah, guys, that was it. That was how you can cancel an order on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.